Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. In this episode, we'll explore Baba's practice of collecting Dakshina. Sai Baba asked his devotees for two invaluable forms of Dakshina: Shraddha, devotion, and Saburi, patience. Baba was always focused on the well being of his devotees and he collected Dakshina to help liberate them from their past bad karmas. Let us delve deeper into the significance of Baba's Dakshina. Every devotee of Sai Baba is familiar with his practice of collecting Dakshina, which began in 1908. Baba did this not to accumulate wealth, but to impart spiritual lessons in charity, detachment, and self purification. According to chapter 14 of Sri Sai Satcharita, Baba initially did not accept anything from anyone. If someone offered him a coin, he would sometimes use it to buy oil or tobacco, but he never asked for anything. The rest he distributed as charity. Although some rich devotees brought costly items for the Shirdi Sansthan or for Baba, he disapproved, stating that his only possessions were a loin cloth, a piece of cloth, a kafani, robe, and a tin pot. He saw the expensive items as unnecessary and burdensome. As his fame grew and more people began visiting him, devotees started offering him money and Baba began asking for Dakshina. He had a unique way of accepting Dakshina, usually asking for the exact amount that the devotee had already intended to offer. The Dakshina was not just about money, it was a way for Baba to teach lessons in non attachment and to rid devotees of their ego. Sometimes Baba would keep asking for Dakshina until the devotees' pockets were empty, teaching humility and detachment. Despite receiving large amounts, Baba lived as a poor fakir, giving away all the money he received each day. When Baba took his Mahasamadhi, despite receiving thousands of rupees in Dakshina over 10 years, he had only a few rupees in his possession. In chapter 35 of Sri Sai Satcharita, Baba explains his practice. If I take 1 rupee as Dakshina from anybody, I have to return it tenfold. I never take anything gratis. I only ask and take from those whom the fakir, God, points out. Wealth should be used for dharma. If used for personal enjoyment, it is wasted. Giving of Dakshina advances Vairagya, non-attachment, and thereby Bhakti and Jnana. Baba always said, give one and receive tenfold. In chapter 14 of Sri Sai Satcharita, there is a particular instance that illustrates this. Mr. Ganpatrao Bodas, a famous actor, recounts in his Marathi autobiography how Baba often pressed him for Dakshina, leading him to empty his money bag before Baba. The result was that in later life, Mr. Bodas never lacked money as it came to him abundantly. In essence, Baba's primary purpose in collecting Dakshina was to teach his devotees the values of renunciation, purification, and spiritual growth. Sai Baba's intention in collecting Dakshina has been beautifully narrated by Sri Hemant Pant in Sri Sai Satcharita, helping us understand the true meaning of Dakshina and its relevance in our lives. My heartfelt thanks to Sri Hemant Pantji. Let us understand and follow the teachings of Baba from Sri Sai Satcharita and be blessed. We'll meet again in the next episode with another wonderful blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.